Most important expected and the sure shot question for the board examination, which I am going to introduce in the particular session. Not only that, but also children, many students are aware that sir, we have not started our preparation. Sir, we have started our preparation, but we don't know how to read, in which chapter to invest lots of time. Even we have not completed our course, the course has been completed. Many more scenarios, issues has been going inside your mind, and for that reason, this is the one of the finest session in which most of the queries will get clear, and this is the session with a complete strategy which I have made, and you people can get score 80 out of 80 with your hard work, with dedications and many more it is. So without making delay, let us start the amazing session that how can you score a very good number of marks, how can you score big, how can you score even 80 out of 80. The first and foremost priority you have to give, that is complete NCERT. If you people can complete the entire NCERT, if you people can complete the entire NCERT examples, definitely I can say half of the mark, I mean 40 to 50 marks is reserved. How can I say so? As you know very well. And from the chapter number 1, let me state the important question for the board examination from the chapter 1, real number, nothing highlighted I can see, only one topic I can see, that is irrational. Proof root 3 irrational, proof root 5 irrational, proof 1 upon root 2 is an irrational, proof proof 6 plus root 2 is irrational. This type of the question is guarantee 3 marker question you will be getting. Not only that, but also in the pre-board also, wherever you give the exam in the entire India, the pre-board question ek to pakka girega 3 marker question, likh lo, guarantee. That means here I concluded out of 3 marks, out of 80 marks, 3 mark reserve, that is proof irrational. Even you people will be getting in the MCQ if you are a basic or a standard proof wala common questions, and you people will be getting the most important, that is all about HCF into LCM equals to product of two numbers. In the product of the numbers कैसे निकालना, product of the number दिया होगा, LCM बनाओ, HCF निकालो, LCM और HCF को गुना करो, product of numbers निकलेगा, other number निकलेगा. These are the type of the question 1 mark वाला गिरेगा. Chapter 1 में nothing is there apart from this. Coming to the polynomial, many kind of questions. You have to take it out as alpha square, beta square, 1 upon alpha plus 1 upon beta. Sum of the zeros is given. Sum and the product of the zeros कुछ दिया होगा, -3, 3, 4, 5, -4, 5. उसका quadratic equations, quadratic polynomial में लिखना है. You have to do such kind of, and for more details, polynomial I want to keep in a queue because polynomial से थोड़ा बहुत questions बाहर से आने वाला है. And what are the questions? I will be letting you know. And for more details, do not even think, do not even make a single delay to join my Telegram as well as to join my WhatsApp group. Even though WhatsApp group and the link has been given in the description below, do join the WhatsApp group, do join the Telegram group, where you will be getting important questions, solutions, everything you will be getting, yes, with a free of cost. And not only that, but also you people can join my Unacademy session, which generally is going in every Sunday, in every Saturday. For more details, I will be sharing all the links in the description below, and do not forget to join the Telegram as well as WhatsApp group. Even though coming to the chapter number 3, page number 46, coincident intersecting parallel, A1 upon A2, B1 upon B2, C1 upon C2, basic हो या standard हो, ये वाला से सवाल आने वाला है. That means here it included MCQ. One MCQ is reserved, my dear most children, that is from this. अगर पैरा किया पॉलिनोमियल आई हैव लेफ्ट पैराबोला होगा, कितने सॉल्यूशन बनाएगा, 1 2 3. सपोज कुछ इस प्रकार का है, सपोज इस कुछ इस पर हाउ मेनी सॉल्यूशन इट इज देयर, प्लीज डू कमेंट राइट देयर. एंड कोइंसिडेंट, डिपेंडेबल, नॉन डिपेंडेबल, A1 upon A2, B1 upon B2, C1 upon C2, कौन सा आता है, कोइंसिडेंट आता है, कितना सॉल्यूशन, इंसिडेंट हाउ मेनी सॉल्यूशन, यूनिक सॉल्यूशन क्या होता है, यू हैव टू mark it up, even you have to understand thoroughly. Coming to the exercise 3.1, 3.2, 3.2 and many more example NCERT you have to do. Nuri, Meena, many more, Lakshmi, you might have heard regarding the word problem that you have to do. I want to keep it in the top because these are the repeated year questions. Not only that children, but also every year standard students reversible question आता है. Reversible means the numbers get interchanged. Children, let me make you aware, the number get interchanged. For more details you can look after the 3.3 elimination वाला 3.3 if I'm not wrong 3.3 bit number 4 का bit 3 I can relate that number 3 that is all the sum of the number get interchange, that means interchange कुछ digit हुआ होगा उसको digit change कर देते हैं. And more details and you have to practice such kind of questions, near 20 to 30 questions से practice करना है क्योंकि वहां से सवाल बनेगा. स्टैंडर्ड इफ यू आर ए स्टैंडर्ड वहां से सवाल बनेगा, वहां से सवाल बनेगा, बुक कम नहीं बनेगा, बाहर से बनेगा. अगर बाहर से बनेगा यू पीपल कैन डू इट बिकॉज दैट टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चंस विल बी कमिंग. इट्स नॉट माय assumptions, it's a favorite question of the board examination, board members I'm generally talking about. Coming to the quadratic equation, again the same entire quadratic equation you have to give a lots of priority to the 4.3 entire numericals, entire problems starting with the Mysore 2 pipes का बहुत सारा होता है. 2 pipes एक होता है I have seen 11 whole 3/4, 99 whole 1/2. Many more type of questions are there in which the number gets changed. You have to do. For more details, R.D. Sharma, R.S. Agarwal also it is there. R.D. Sharma, R.S. Agarwal also it is there. Do not make any kind of delay. This type of question, this type of numbers वाला तुम्हें पढ़ना है. For more details, 11.4.3, just go and kill it out. And motorboat, many kind of motorboat problems are there. Do not worry about that. Many kinds of problem. वो भी क्या है? Telegram as well as I can put it in a Telegram as well as WhatsApp group. Do not forget to join my WhatsApp group which has been uploaded, which has been there in the description below. Many things you will be getting, yes, with the free of course 0 rupees. Coming to the yes, factorization question will be there. Solve standard अगर होगा solve मिलेगा, solve का high level question मिलेगा. High level question क्या क्या होता है वो भी मैं दे दूंगा. And these are the questions you have to go with the RD or RS. Year questions are there. For more details to practice all the year questions. And if you want to score 80 out of 80, complete NCERT, complete examples, my questions, and off the show. No need. And sample paper Oswaal. Coming to the Oswaal sample paper, one of the finest India made learning easy to all the students all over the India. This sample paper consists of many mind mappings, many revision notes, many short notes, many kind of MCQs, many kind of year questions, and many kind of sample papers. Please do not even try to purchase any other sample paper rather than this. This is the India's #1 selling Oswaal sample paper. You can see it, and this is having amazing features inside it. For more details, the link has been given in the description below. You people can do, see and purchase, and it is having some of the reasonable price also. Do not forget to purchase one of the latest sample paper Oswaal books, India Mad Learning Simple. People, it's amazing from my point of view. Coming to the solve, yes, root वाला quadratic equation factorization आएगा अगर तुम basic में हो. Coming to the AP, yes, 4 formulas, the highlighted formulas, the 4 formulas is there, which I don't want to discuss that. 4 formulas in the arithmetic progression, APs, and 5.3 पूरा कफन बांध लो. 5.3 का सबसे बहुत सवाल 7 नंबर तक इंपॉर्टेंट आता है. Exceed होगा, that is exceeds more than the sum will become 78. Which one is the last term? This other question will be coming, and 2 marker question may come. I think that how many numbers can be divisible by 7? How many 2-digit number can be divisible by 7? You have to find the number of terms. This other question will be coming, and this other question generally comes. If you are a basic standard upper level का question आएगा, whatever the question I will say. Yes, first priority examples, first priority NCERT, so that you people can do very good in pre-board examination. Upcoming pre-board examination generally in your school, which will get comments from December as well as January. Coming to the triangles in the entire, let me remind the children, in the entire NCERT there are having only one direct sure short theorems with not a circle में है मगर NCERT, that is a BPT. And yes, I would like to rate as a 5 marker questions. Why so? I repeat, why so? In the question will come, define BPT, define basic proportionate theorem. You have to define the basic proportionate. How the question will be coming, children? See, define basic proportionate theorem, and after that there will be saying the prove it. How can you prove it? अगर तुम्हें तो पता ही नहीं होगा बेसिक प्रोपोर्शनल थ्योरम क्या है, तुम्हें तो थ्योरम का पता नहीं होगा डेफिनेशन, तुम जनरल स्टेटमेंट कैसे लिखोगे? How you people will be writing the general statement? How you yes, with no doubt you can do figure in this way. You can do figure in this way. A, B, C, you can do figure in this way, but you can do construction, but you cannot write the theorem. My dear most children, if you can learn the theorem of BPT, it will help you out in the definition, it will help you out in the theorem, it will help you out in other ways also. So remember children, BPT is the one of the highlighted question I want to keep with the first top priority, BPT. Do not forget, because BPT is the such type of question, whether you are basic, whether you are standard, this question is guaranteed. I hope so. I predict, yes, it may come in the examination, right? So BPT. Coming to the exercise 6.3, पूरा कफन बांध लो बेटा. 6.3, many questions are coming. E is the point, extend हो जाता है, CD extend हो जाता है, many more is there. 15 नंबर सवाल तक है, 1 से 15, you people can do it. I hope, yes, you can do it. Coming to the chapter number 7, coordinate geometry, very easy chapter. Coordinate geometry, highlighted questions, collinear, highlighted questions, trisections, many questions are there in the standard. ऐसे भी गिरा था 2017 में बेटा, बहुत चकमाचूर. What 2017, this type of question generally came. For an example, these are the important are there, this is the there. A is given, B is given, P, Q, R, S it is given. You have to find the entire coordinate. तुम्हें निकालना, 5 मार्क का सवाल था. Entire coordinate बहुत होगा. अगर P को निकालना कैसे होगा? 1:1, 2, 3, 4, 1:4. So in this way you have to find it out, children. That is coordinate, trisection, important. Yes, midpoint formula important. That means you have to go ahead with the formula. That means area of a triangle has been reduced. Area of a triangle is somehow reduced. If you want to read, you can read, because it's going to help you in the chapter number 6, 11, class, straight lines, right? So trisection is important. Area of a rhombus, last सवाल 7.2 का लास्ट अंतिम सवाल, area of a rhombus. So according to me, and the last example, P equals to 6 आंसर होगा. पैरेललोग्राम दिया होगा, P equals to 6, मिसिंग P होगा. That means missing something पैरेललोग्राम will be there. A का पॉइंट दिया होगा, B का पॉइंट दिया होगा, C का पॉइंट देगा, D का पॉइंट देगा, जिसमें से x, 6 और P, 6. You have to find the missing P. You can directly get it on the most important highlighted questions. Please do not omit it. So according to me, something you have got that a trisection वाला formula. And yes, equidistance, I have forgotten again. I was thinking what I am forgetting. Equidistance वाला भी थोड़ा important होता है. Equidistance सवाल आता है. Basic students, do not forget that equidistance, that is important questions, and it is having a formula x, 0, 0, y. Where it is used, please comment right there. And for more details, if you have any queries, please do comment. Definitely trust me, I will come with the solution. I will come with the perfect video for you all. Coming to the chapter number 8, trigonometry. Trigonometry, generally, if there is having a word, generally in this way, generally students used to state their feelings. Trigonometry is something where I cannot say anything which kind of question is important. Everything is important, but I would like to keep in the top 8.4 last 10 questions. 8.4 जब 10 बीट होता है ना बेटा, पूरा 10 को 10 बीट. Specially I would like to keep beat number 3 as the top. 8.4 4 नंबर, बीट 3 सवाल, tan थीटा जो निकलेगा, you have to prove tan theta, sec theta, something like that is given. So you have to prove as it is complete. Sin cube theta also is given, you have to do it. Last question is there, 1 plus tan theta, 1 minus tan theta whole square, it is given, you have to do it. That means here it indicates 10 से 10 सवाल करो, उसमें से एक क्वेश्चन गारंटी. सच में गारंटी? यस, आई एम गिविंग गारंटी टू द बेसिक स्टूडेंट्स. बेसिक में आज तक ऐसे कभी तक नहीं हुआ. बेसिक, इफ बेसिक इज अ वर्ड, बेसिक इज अ वर्ड, इफ जनरल इट इज कमिंग, दैट मीन्स ट्रिग्नोमेट्री, एनसीईआरटी क्वेश्चन, इट फॉलोज दैट. दैट मीन्स आई हैव बीन रिसर्च्ड. आई एम नॉट सेइंग एनी काइंड ऑफ स्टोरी ओवर हियर. I researched it thoroughly. It has been a strategy that CBSE board members used to give all the questions from trigonometry to the basic students only from the NCERT book. Remember this. If you are a basic, do not ignore this. If you are a standard, somehow you have to do. Who knows? कब का बाजी कब पलट जाता बेटा. अगर आ गया तो क्वेश्चन मार्क, उसके बाद खत्म. So coming to the chapter number 9, height and distance. Yes, keeping in the top 8 number, pedestal वाला problem, height and distance, pedestal वाला problem. Coming to the river वाला problem, last example of the NCERT book, one of the finest important questions. 15 and 16 I want to keep at the top. 15 and 16. Car वाला, car is going 6 seconds later and the answer will be t equals to 3, and you have to 16 number problem, chapter number 9, application to trigonometry, height and distance. 16 का प्रूफ करना है, जो तुम्हें 6 मीटर होगा, प्रूफ करना है. वेरी इजी. tan 90 डिग्री माइनस थीटा, cot थीटा बनेगा, cot थीटा को रेसिप्रोकल होगा 1/tan थीटा. आई होप सो. वही वाला 16 नंबर का सवाल है, हाईलाइटेड क्वेश्चंस. एंड यस, अगेन आई एम सेइंग, जिस सवाल में अगर तुम आर एस अग्रवाल पढ़ रहे हो, आर डी शर्मा पढ़ रहे हो, जहां पर होगा 2 पोल्स, जहां पर होगा एरोप्लेन, जहां पर होगा काइट, कफन बांध लो प्लीज. दिस आर द क्वेश्चंस जनरली कम्स. काइट अगर मिला, वह वाला सवाल थोड़ा कर लेना. पेडेस्टल बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट, पेडेस्टल वाला, बेसिक वाला पेडेस्टल जनरली इट इज द फेवरेट क्वेश्चन ऑफ ऑल द टीचर्स, पेडेस्टल, बिकॉज वहां पर थोड़ा रिरेशनल करना पड़ता है, थोड़ा फंसते हैं बच्चे वहां पर. सो प्री बोर्ड चिल्ड्रन, इफ यू आर गोइंग टू गिव द प्री बोर्ड व्हाट एवर द क्वेश्चंस आई हैव टोल्ड, अगर वहां से ना आया ना तो कमेंट करके बताना सर व्हाट एवर यू टोल्ड एवरीथिंग इज अ फैक्ट, बट आई नो वेरी वेल व्हाट एवर आई टोल्ड इज एवरीथिंग ऑथेंटिक, बिकॉज यू कैन मैच. You can see any question sample paper. Today is your homework. See any sample paper. Whatever the question I have told, that question generally it is there in your sample paper. It is there in your class test. It is there in your pre-board. It is there in your. It will be there in your next pre-board examinations, because whatever is saying, I am saying because it is the important only. Apart from that, nothing is there. Coming to the chapter number 10, circle. People think circle is one of the finest, one of the difficult chapter. No. They are also having 4 to 5 theorems. You might be thinking, sir, only 2 theorems it is there, theorem 1, theorem 2. No. First theorem is there, perpendicular. You have to perpendicular, OP perpendicular to AB if I am not wrong. Second theorem is the length drawn from the external point to a circle R equals. Theorem number 2. Theorem number 3, 10.3 का सवाल नंबर 4. Theorem number 4, 10.3 का सवाल नंबर 5. Theorem number 6, 10.3 का सवाल नंबर 9 नहीं 11. Prove that the circle circumference is rhombus. Something. Prove the circle circumference is a rhombus. I am sorry to say, वो वाला सवाल तुम्हारे प्री बोर्ड में आएगा, वो वाला सवाल तुम्हारे बोर्ड में नहीं आएगा. That means 10.2 11 नंबर को काटो, 9 नंबर को काटो. You might be thinking, sir, how can you say so? Because these are the generally sample paper question. CBSE has released the sample paper in which 11 number सवाल, 9 number सवाल. That means AOB is a 90 degree. You have to prove the angle AOB equals to 90 degree. XY is a tangent. X dash Y dash is a tangent. You have to prove angle AOB is 90 degree. वो वाला सवाल नहीं आएगा क्योंकि वो वाला सवाल sample paper में आया हुआ है जो CBSE इंट्रोड्यूस किया हुआ है बेटा. Right? So now you are thinking, so how can you say directly? My dear most student, example 2 and 3 highlighted. Generally it is a PYQs. Important. Generally example 2 and 3 important. Example number 2 and 3 of the circle. Yes, all the questions are important from the 10.2. I would like to keep it the highlighted as a 30 number. Angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4, angle 5, angle 6, angle 7, angle 8 equals to 360 डिग्री सप्लीमेंट बनाना, उसको प्रूफ करना है कैसे करके तुम्हें अच्छे से पता होगा. इफ नॉट आई विल कम विद द सॉल्यूशन. प्लीज डू कमेंट व्हाट आर द सीक्वेंस व्हाट यू वांट फ्रॉम मी. आई विल कम विद दैट. यू कमेंट देयर. विदाउट कमेंट आई कैन नॉट अंडरस्टैंड दैट. कमिंग टू द चैप्टर नंबर 2. कमिंग टू 12 नंबर सवाल हीरोज फार्मूला से होता है. आई वांट टू कीप इट इन क्यू. So whether it is important or not, I don't know, because Heron's formula है. Heron's formula generally is not there in the standard 10, but somehow it is also you have to do. So I don't want to discuss about 12, but I generally would like to recommend you 12 नंबर सवाल कर लेना चाहिए. These are the important, and yes, 8 नंबर सवाल very easy. Generally it is equivalent to 11 number. 8 number you have to quadrilateral ABCD जिनमें से tangent होगा, वो भी बहुत बढ़िया हलवा सवाल. You people can do it. Coming to the chapter number 11, construction related. Chapter number 12 area related to circle. It is been a trending. It's been a trending the entire India, entire CBSE. आज तक कभी कुछ हुआ नहीं है. That you people will be generally the board members generally they give the questions out of the book from the area related to circle. Area related to circle is such kind of chapter which you will be getting direct questions from the exercise. Yes, whether you are a standard, whether you are basis, direct question. 12.3 with a note. 12.2 is also important. रिवोल्यूशन वाला ज्यादा आता है. रिवोल्यूशन वाला प्रॉब्लम बहुत बार पूछा जाता है. 2 मार्क वाला, ज्यादा नहीं, 2 मार्क रिवोल्यूशन. बट 5 मार्कर क्वेश्चन आई कैन एज्यूम 5 मार्कर क्वेश्चन यहां पर कुछ है का मतलब 12.3 every questions, and 60 number of questions are 60 number questions are important. Coming to the examples are also important. Coming to the chapter number 4, that is one of the biggest question is there, that is statistics. 100 दिया होगा, 76 plus xy, x का वैल्यू 16 something, नो का वैल्यू x का वैल्यू 15, x का वैल्यू 15, y का वैल्यू 9. somehow it is there. That means example I'm talking about, total 100 is there. What 100? Total cumulative frequency, that is all about 100. Mean is given 100. Total frequency is given 100. You have to find it out in which x का वैल्यू निकलेगा, y का वैल्यू निकलेगा. These are the questions. Generally will not come because these are the questions has come in already in the which exam? In your CBSE sample paper. But questions आएगा वैसे करके. x का फ्रीक्वेंसी मिसिंग होगा, y का फ्रीक्वेंसी मिसिंग होगा, ऐसे 3 मार्क का क्वेश्चन चमक सकता है. रिमेंबर चिल्ड्रन, यू हैव टू प्रैक्टिस सच काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स फ्रॉम स्टैटिस्टिक्स जिसमें x का फ्रीक्वेंसी मिसिंग होगा. यस, वॉल्यूम एंड सरफेस एरिया आई एम लिविंग. x का फ्रीक्वेंसी मिसिंग होगा, y का फ्रीक्वेंसी मिसिंग होगा, x फ्रीक्वेंसी मिसिंग, y फ्रीक्वेंसी मिसिंग. You have to do a lots of problem from that, and the question will be there, class interval will be there, frequency will be there. You have to find question. ऐसे पूछ सकता है, तुम्हें मीन निकालना है, 3 मेथड में निकालो या 2 मेथड में निकालो, एज्यूम में निकालो, step division मतलब whatever. And children, if the class interval, remember this is the one of the important people 99% do wrong. If the question is there in the class interval point में अगर होए, मान के चलो 12.5 13.5, अगर x निकला तो तुम्हें करना है assumed method में, assumed method, because if your boy or a girl will do in assumed method, डायरेक्ट उसका आंसर जल्दी निकलता, डायरेक्ट निकलता, सही निकलता है. बच्चे बहुत क्या करते हैं ना, they used to do in a direct method, summation fx by summation, sorry, summation of fi by summation of, that is wrong. fx by summation of f, that is wrong. I'm not saying that is wrong, but वहां पे फंस जाते, बहुत बच्चे वहां पे फंसते हैं. तो रिमेंबर assume method one of the finest method. On and अगर CI दिया होगा, अगर frequency में number दिया होगा, only number, then you can do with the direct method. But something is frequency missing is given, that you have to go with the assume method. Coming to the volume and surface area, the same. Volume and surface area I want to keep in a suspense, because exercise 13.1, 13.2, 13.3 you do it. Example भी करना है, गुलाब जामुन favorite question, container favorite question, and what more there, gulab jamun favorite, container favorite. I forgot, no, 13.1, 2, 3 is important, and rest question I will be uploading in the Telegram as well WhatsApp group. Do not forget to join that. Chapter number 15, probability. Yes, up to 18 number you have to do. From 19 numbers, it is not from the point of examination. 15.1 I am talking about. डेक वाला कर लेना, डेक वाला फेस कार्ड कितना होता है, नंबर कार्ड कितना होता है, एस कितना होता है, एस इज नीदर फेस कार्ड नॉर है number card. Even you have to go with the 52 numbers of card. Even not only that, but also you have to go with the bulbs. Ball में जाना है, black ball, white ball, blue ball, green ball, many ball are there. अगर 100 ball होगा, find the number of defective balls, defective pens. Die होगा, find the probability of a die is thrown at randomly, find the probability of getting a prime number, answer me. Find the probability of not getting a prime number, answer me. Find the probability of getting a composite number, find the probability of getting a natural number. These are the important. Find the probability of getting a whole number also. Whole number 0 होता है या नहीं होता, तुम मुझे कमेंट करके बताओ. These are the important questions generally will play a vital role in case of MCQs. I hope the session is really amazing. Yes, if you want to score top, if you want to score big, I want to conclude here. NCERT examples I want to keep it in a first priority. Second, you have to join my Telegram, because whatever the questions I will be uploading, whatever the questions I will be letting you know, that are the questions, the favorite question of the board examination. You have to do that. And yes, after that 3 घंटे का पेपर तुम्हें कैसे बैठना है, क्या करना है, one of the finest, my personal favorite book, that is Oswaal Mac Learning, simple to all over the child in or across the India. So these are the important. Many mind mapping are there, many shortcut tricks are there, many sample papers are there. Mind mapping you can see how can you statistics ka mind mapping mein, statistics, mind mapping of statistics, mind mapping of probability. So I hope this session is really helpful to you, I hope. So coming stronger in the next session, and coming stronger in the next amazing session. Till then, keep cherishing yourself, keep smiling, keep working hard, and always before you sleep, always make a target and sleep. Always make a target, have a goal, read randomly, and go to the bat. Thank you very much. Signing over today, coming stronger in the next session. Till then, cheers, goodbye.